Right, so we've got all the piles cut, as you can see. My partner's gone, he had to go back home, so I'm left alone to finish up. What I'm going to do now is check the diagonal measurements across the whole foundation and make sure that everything's in order, how much we're on, how much we're off. Piles move around in the ground, to the left, to the right, forward, backwards. You hit something that lean at an angle, there's a whole range of things. So because of that, the way we counter that is we've got these, in fact I'll show you one. First measurement I got is across there, and obviously picking this up on voice, I hope so. I haven't got the mic on because it's too far away from the camera. But I've used some old drills, put it in here to get the exact centre of the pile. From this I can measure diagonally across the side and those that hold it up. So the diagonal across the whole foundation is actually 4mm out of sync, which is, you can't even count it. It's not worth bothering with 4mm. So 17 should be 17 meters, 112 millimeters, and it's 118 or something. It's about 4 mil out, which is pretty good for us. So now to check the other two diagonals, they might be very much different. So the results are in. This diagonal we're out by 1 centimetre and 8mm, which again is within tolerance, it's no problem. And on the other one it's about 7mm out, which is what, just over ½ centimetre, which is again, you can't even count it. Normally 5 centimetres is kind of pushing it a bit, you know. But that amount it's what's the Russian word for it? Perfect. So now we're going to do the tape measure and measure up the piles and put the caps into each section and align those as well. But everything's pretty much okay. There's nothing too desperately out of place there. The very important thing is the diagonals are in place from the art. Something like stone in the ground or whatever, and the piles move about. But this time it's worked out okay. Well, it would do, it's mine. Now I'm going to check the rest of the rows and make sure everything's in line. Once I'm happy with everything's in line, then I can go in with the anchor bolts. It's looking like tomorrow because it starts trying to snow again, and it's pretty dark.